Hello my dear students, we have discussed addition, subtraction and multiplication. So there are four operations are there in mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Last one is division. So today we are going to discuss the chapter division. So how to divide numbers? So first take any 4-digit number. So divide that 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So how to divide that one? So take 3, 5, 4, 8 divided by 4. So how to divide 4-digit number by 1-digit number? So first, write down like this: 3, 5, 4, 8. So 3, 5, 4, 8. So now, here 4 is a 1-digit number. So when you divide it, so this is a dividend. We call it as a dividend. So this is divisor. So here divisor is there. So if a dividend, this is a dividend now. If a divisor is 1-digit number, so take here 1-digit number one by one. Okay. So here 4 and 3 is there, but 3 is the smallest number now. So take the 2-digit numbers. After that you can take 1 digits. So take 35. So here 4 is there. You should, when you want to divide any numbers, first remember the tables up to 30, minimum 30. Okay. So here 35 is there. So you should multiply 4 to one number that should be nearest to 35. Nearest to 35. Can we say that 4 8s are 32? 4 8s are 32. So if you take 4 9s are 36. 36 is greater than 35 now. So 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. So now subtract it. 5 minus 2, how much? 3. And 3 minus 3, 0. Now take 1 digits, because this is the 1-digit number now. So now take 4. Again 34. So write down the nearest number with the multiplication of 4. 4 8s are 32. Again 4 8s are 32. So 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. So now take 8 down, 8. So the 28 is in the table of 4 now. 4 7s are how much? 28 now. 4 7s are 28. So 0. So what will be the answer? 887. So this we call it as a quotient. This is a quotient. So answer will be 887. 887. So this is reminder. What is this? Reminder. So this is reminder. This is divisor. Divisor. Okay. So divisor. Next, this is dividend. So this is dividend and this one is quotient now. So this is quotient. So this is the way of dividing any number, but again a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So let's take another example. So here this is also 4-digit number, otherwise take 5-digit number. So 5-digit number divided by 1-digit number. So how to divide this? Again same method. So 4 as it is 1 5 4 3 8. So here this is 1-digit number, so you have to consider only 1-digit number. So 6 and 1 is there. So 1 is smallest one. So now take the 2-digit number only one time. So 15. So 15 is nearest to which number? 6 2s are 12. So 6 2s are 12. So this is nearest. So 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So next again 1 digits. So take 4. Nearest number. Nearest number is 30. 6 5s are 6 5s are 30. So 6 5s are how much? 30. So now subtract 4 0. So now next take 3 down. So which is the nearest number? That will be the multiplication of 6. 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. So 3 minus 2 1. 4 minus 4 0. So next 8 down. So now 6 1s are 6 3s are 6 3s is possible now. 6 3s are 18. So what will be the answer? 2573. 2573 is the answer. So this is a divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Okay. So now see here. This is the division of 5-digit number by 2-digit number. So this is how to solve this one. So first Write down that number. 13 divided by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No? So here 2-digit numbers are there. No? So here also consider 2-digit number first. Only for first time. So only first time consider 2-digit number. So now 13 nearest. 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. But 39 is greater. So 13 2s are how much? 26. So now subtract it. So here 4 is there, 6 is there. So carry 14 minus 6, 8. So this one 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, next again 1 digits. Again 1 digits. 85. So nearest 13 ones are go on saying the tables. 13 table. 13 5s are 65. 13 6s are 78. 39 7s are 91. So 13 6s are 36 are 78. You should remember the tables. Then only you can divide the numbers. So here 5 is there, here 8 is there. So this will carry 15 minus 8, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. So next again take 6 down. So nearest 13. 6 are 78. This is not nearest. 13 5 are 65. 65. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 6. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, 7 minus 6, 1. So now take the 7 down. Why? You have to take 1 digits. So 117 is there. 13 9s are 117. No, so 13 9s are 170. So what is the answer here? 2659. So answer is 2659 is the answer. So what is the dividend here? Dividend is 34,567. What is about divisor is 13. Remainder is 0 and quotient is 2659. So how to verify the division? Is this a correct answer or not? How to check it? I'll explain. So checking for the correctness of division. How do you check that this is the correct division? So first divide this number. So 4 is there, here 5 is there. So it is greater. So take one digit. 4 ones are 4. Next 5 minus 4, 1. So 1 is smaller number. So take the 1 down. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 1 minus 8 means 11 minus 8, 3. So this one cancel. So 0. So next this 2 down. So 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. So what is the answer here? 128. So what is the quotient here? 128. So how to check it? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if this is correct, the division is also correct. So check it just here. Divisor is 4. So dividend value is dividend here how much? 512. 512. What about divisor is 4? So 4 into 128. Quotient is 128. So plus remainder is 0. So now multiply 4 into 128. So multiply. So we already know the multiplication. 4 8s are 32. 3 carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 1 carry. 4 1s are 4 5. So what will be the answer? 112. So answer is same. So answer is here equals to 512 equals to here also 512. So this is the checking for correction of division. So what is that? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equals to just multiply the quotient and divisor plus remainder. And here remainder should be smaller than the divisor. Okay, if it is greater, again divide it. So here 0 is there, so 0 is smaller than 4, so let it. Next rules of divisibility. So first one, divisibility by 2. So how to check this one? All the even numbers starting from 0 to 4, 6, 8. So many numbers are there. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. So this is the divisibility rule for 2. Okay. So here 2 is there. 2 is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Like that. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. So next third one, second one, divisibility by 3. So one number is there. So this is the 48. So sum of the digits means so 4 what will get the answer? 4 plus 8, 12. So is 12 is divisible by 3? How to check that? 3 4s are 12, no? So sum of the digits of given number is divisible by 3. So here 48 is there, just check it. Add the digits. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So now check this one. 96. 9 plus 6. So what will get the answer? 15. So is 15 is divisible by 3? No. 3 5s are. So check this one. 124. So 124. Just add all the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 4. So what will get the answer? 7. So is 7 is divisible by 3? No, no. So that means this is not divisible by 3. So how to check that? Just sum of the two digits. Sorry, what is the digits they given? No. So just add the digits of given number. That will be divisible by 3. If it is divisible, that number is also divisible by 3. Next, divisibility rule for 4. So how to check that one? If the number they given, just check the last two digits. Last two digits must be divisible by 4. If it is possible, that means this number is divisible by 4. So check that last two digits. 36 is 36 divisible by 4? Just check it. 4. 36 is the table of 4, no? 4 9s are 36, no? 4 9s are 36. That means 1436 is divisible by 4. So how to check that one? Just check the last two digits. Okay. Otherwise, last two digits must be 0. Here 0 is there. So if it is 0, that means this number is divisible by 4. So just check this one. 2 5 4 6 is there. So just check last two digits. Is 46 is divisible by 4? Just check it. 46. So 4 1s are 4. 0. Next 6 down. So 4 1s are 4. So here remainder will be 2, no? That means if the remainder is 0, that means this number is divisible by 4. If the remainder is not 0, that means this is not divisible by 4. That means 2446 is not divisible by 4. If you want to check it, just check the last two digit number. That number must be divisible by 4. So how to check the divisibility by 5? That's very simple. That given number is there, in that one's digit must be 5 or 0. So here 125. So here in one's digit 5 is there. That means this number is divisible by 5. Otherwise 125 is divisible by 5 and take 200. So in one's digit 0 is there, no? So this is also divisible by 5. So 200, that means just check the one's digit for checking the divisibility by 5. In one's digit 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. So that means this is divisible by 5 and this one also 125 because in one's digit 5 is there, no? Okay. So next divisibility by 6. That given number is there, no? That must be divisible by 3 and 2. Next one divisible by 6. That means the number is must be divisible by both number 2 and 3. Take one example. Here 204 is there. So if this is divisible by 2, no? Why? Because this is the even number. Even number means this is divisible by 2. So this is divisible by 2. So next, just check it for divisibility for 3. 3 means just add the digits. If 2 plus 4, how much? 6. 6 is divisible by 6, no? That means 6 is divisible by 3. That means this number is also divisible by 3. By 2 plus 4, 6. So 6 is divisible by 3, no? 6 is divisible by 3. That means 204 is divisible by 2 and 3 means this is divisible by 6, no? How to check that? Just check the number. If it is divisible by both the numbers 2 and 3, that means this number is divisible by 6. Why? Because 2 3s are 6, no? That's why just check the divisibility for 2 and 3. You will get the divisibility for 6. So next divisibility by 9. So this is as same as divisibility for 3. For 3 you just add the digits, no? After that addition, the result will be divisible by 3 means that 3. Like that 9 also. If the number is given, just add the digits. That result will be divisible by 9 means that number is also divisible by 9. So take 144. So add the digits 1 plus 4 plus 4. So 9. So is 9 is divisible by 9. That means this number is also divisible by 9. So this is also. So this is divisible by 9. Okay. This is divisible by 9. So next, understand now this one. Just add the digits. So just check. That's for homework. 207. So this is the homework. Just check the divisibility for 9. Okay. This is the homework problem. Solve it yourself. So next, divisibility by 10. This is very simple. The ones digit must be. The ones digit of a given number must be 0. 0. For example, take anyone 210. Here one's digit is 0. That means this number is divisible by 10. Why? 10 is there, no impact. 10 to the 20, again 1. 21. So here 0 is there. That means this is divisible by 10. Take any number 4, 5, 0. So here 0 is there, so it is also divisible by 10. Same. So divisible by 10. Understand now all the divisibility rules.